Hello everyone, I am Mandir.
I am Saswant of grade 4.
Today we are going to make homemade remedies for common diseases. Shall we start, Saswant? What happens, Saswant?
Nothing happened.
Wait, I will make one remedy for this. First, 1 teaspoon of turmeric powder. Next, 1 teaspoon of coconut oil. Mix it very well. And apply on the wound. It is okay for you, Saswant?
Yes, thank you.
Welcome.
What happened when again then?
I need sore throat pain.
Wait, I will do one remedy for this. 1 teaspoon of lemon juice. 1 teaspoon of honey. Mix very well. Take this one.
Thank you, Saswant.
Welcome.
Dear, try these homemade remedies and stay healthy.
Thank you.